Hi there. In this video, we will walk you through Kahoot one-time event plans so you can quickly find the best options for your next event. With a one-time event plan, your subscription is active for 1 month from the moment of purchase and do not renew. During that period, you can create content, run practice games, and host as many live or self-paced Kahoots as you like, as long as you stay within your participant limit. It's essential to remember, as per our terms and conditions, that a single account is designated for individual use only. On our events pricing page, you will see 4 one-time event options. Kahoot, 360. Event Standard, up to 200 participants. Ideal for smaller workshops and team-building sessions, with all the essential tools to create and host engaging live or self-paced Kahoots. Kahoot 360 Event Plus, up to 1,000 participants. Great for larger meetings and virtual events, with more advanced question types and flexible reporting, so you can dig deeper into results. Kahoot 360 NUM Event Max, up to 2,000 participants. Built for large conferences and all-hands meetings, unlocking our full event feature set and robust reporting for big, high-impact sessions. Kahoot 360 Event Max with onboarding, up to 5,000 participants. Includes everything from Event Max plus a dedicated onboarding session with a Kahoot expert to help you design, test, and run a smooth, large-scale event. If you already know you will be running regular trainings, meetings, or campaigns throughout the year, it may be more cost-effective to choose an annual Kahoot 360 business subscription instead of purchasing multiple one-time event plans. To learn more, visit our pricing page and check the detailed comparison to all of business plans. Thank you for watching, and we hope your next Kahoot event is a great success.